Hey, how's it going? Want to make a quick video here showing you the power of artificial intelligence and how far it has come in the last few years. And so what we're looking at here is a demo. It's a custom AI, a chatbot, and this is a conversational AI. And so what we do is we train it up on the business, we train it up on frequently asked questions and all the information it needs to know, and we give it an objective. And so in this case, the objective is to have a friendly conversation with interested leads and ask them 4 pieces of information. And then if they're qualified, if they're a good fit, then give them the opportunity to book on the calendar and then book them on the calendar. And so by the end of this call, we'll have the basic info. Are they buying, selling, what type of real estate? And then a few other questions, some information, contact info, and then it'll literally check the calendar for our client, and we'll book them on that time, right? So I'll let the video play here. So what we're seeing here, this message is the prospect, and then this message here is the AI that we created. And so the person comes in, I'm interested in buying a home, but I'm not sure where to begin, right? So I'll let you read it. It asks permission to ask a few questions, and it gets an idea of what type of real estate, right? Is it single family? Is it a condo? Is it a townhouse? Is it commercial? Is it retail? So that determines how the lead is routed internally. Gets an idea of the market, the territory. This also is used to determine which agent it gets routed to. And then the third thing is what budget. And what we found is if we can teach the prospect something, then it increases the likelihood of them booking a call. And so what it's doing, and it actually figured this out for us, is it addresses a common concern, and it knows this person's new to they're new to their search, they're not sure where to start, and so it gives them a tip. And this one is financing options, property availability, property features, and it reassures them that that our team can help. So you can see that. Let me pause it. The person has a concern about if there's going to be anything in the market, any inventory in their price range. It addresses that, so that we can, our team specializes in that, connect you with what you want. And then they threw out another kind of concern, right? What if I change my mind, or if I find a property on my own? And then it throws out another concern. And this is perfect. This tells you that the person is comfortable with, with sharing this stuff. Just let it play. They're saying they have a super busy schedule. And so at that point, it handed off the booking. It created the booking in the calendar, assigned it to a rep in the downtown area, because it got the idea of where their market was and their price range and a single family home. It updated their record in the CRM. It created the event in the CRM and added the prospect to it, as well as the rep on our side. And so we removed the contact info, the person's phone number and email, but just so that we could use this as a demo. But you can see how it works. Very, very friendly, very conversational. What we did since creating this demo is we actually added a 15-second delay between responses, because it was, writing a paragraph in like 5 seconds. So we added a little bit of a delay there, such that it doesn't seem too robotic. But anyway, want to keep this thing short. What's fascinating is that we give the AI, we train it on the custom, the details about your business, the services that you offer, and then we give it a role, an objective, and it's great on how it can handle certain concerns or objections, as long as it knows that it's given its mission, so to say, and it can navigate that. And we're continually impressed with how well it handles these conversations, especially in complicated industries. For example, in solar, there are a lot of questions and nuances and concerns, from like roof damage, or what if I move, or different things like that. And we didn't explicitly train it. We have it leverage its own, general knowledge base, and customize it to our clients, our business needs. So I'll end the video there, but we have demos. We have this live in dental, in solar, in heating, ventilation, air conditioning, real estate, and a number of other home services industries as well. And so the job of the AI is to qualify, make sure the lead, figure out the intent of the lead, make sure their service area, their budget, their timeline, and then answer any questions they might have, build a little rapport, and then find a time that works, on our calendar, our client's calendar, and the prospect's calendar, and then book the time. And then from there, it goes into the CRM. The CRM reminds them of the appointment, sends email, text reminders, leading up to the appointment as well. And if the prospect needs to reschedule, there's a one-click link to reschedule. But anyway, thanks for watching. We would love to set this up in your business. The setup process is very straightforward. We take care of all the training, so we'll train the AI for you. What we'll do is we'll learn everything about your business, and then we'll interview you on frequently asked questions. We'll transcribe that interview with you on the frequently asked questions, the answers, and things like that. We'll feed it to the AI, and we'll actually have it generate more frequently asked questions based on the questions we already went over. And then that generates a large set of knowledge. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out. My name is Miles Walsh. You can go to our website, leadmaven.ai, and we'd love to demo this for you. We can do a different industry, as well as set this up for your business. All right, take care.